Hello, my dear friends. This is just a quick minute to remind you to inspect what you expect. If you have children, you can't be afraid to inspect what you expect. You have to go look. You have to climb the stairs and say, son, you left your towel on the floor. Come up here and pick it up. Daughter, you didn't make your bed. Please come up here and make your bed. You have to be the CEO of your home. And in order to be the CEO of your home, you don't do all the work. You have to delegate the work, and then you have to inspect what you expect, just like a CEO would do in a business. You have to inspect what you expect to see that it was done. A CEO doesn't do every job, but they are responsible for every job. That means they inspect it. They get reports. So you're going to go with your own eyes and get a good report on your children, on anyone that you've delegated things to. If you have a home, somebody cleaning your house, you still have to inspect that they did the thing you told them to do. So today, inspect what you expect and make it a great day.